Welcome to the Introduction to Green Thumbs Up, the Urban Gardener's Guide to Growing Your Raised Bed Garden, written by best-selling author Dr. Russell Welch. The greatest fine art of the future will be the making of a comfortable living from a small piece of land. Abraham Lincoln. In an era where convenience often overshadows connection, the art of gardening invites us to slow down and engage with the simplicity and richness of life. Green Thumbs Up. The Urban Gardener's Guide to Growing Your Raised Bed Garden is a heartfelt invitation to embark on a journey of cultivation and nourishment in your own backyard, or even on your balcony. This book is crafted to guide you through the process of establishing a raised bed garden, tailored specifically for those who have always believed that their limited space or urban setting bars them from the joys of gardening. Through clear, practical instructions and supportive insights, it demystifies the perceived complexities surrounding gardening. By turning small patches of potential into thriving gardens, this guide promises not only a bountiful harvest but also a renewed sense of connection with the environment. The inspiration to write this book sprang from witnessing numerous individuals in urban settings express a yearning to grow their own food but retreat at the thought of overwhelming challenges. I recall a young couple from Orlando who shared their frustrations over their failed gardening attempts due to lack of space and knowledge. Their story, like many others, is filled with initial excitement followed by disappointment. It became evident that there was a deep need for a simple yet comprehensive guide that could transform doubts into success. In creating this book, I drew upon my diverse experiences in team building and strategic planning, as well as my profound commitment to spreading hope and grace, as taught in the gospel. My journey as a pastor and leader has always been about nurturing growth, be it spiritual or, in this case, agricultural. I extend heartfelt gratitude towards my family, colleagues in the farming industry, and the many gardening enthusiasts whose shared experiences have enriched this guide, with a special thanks to my mom, who was an awesome teacher concerning gardening. Their stories and successes have been instrumental in shaping its content. To you, the reader, thank you for choosing to invest your time with this book. Whether you're looking out over a sprawling yard or just a modest patio space, remember that every great journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single seed. This book is tailored for beginners, but is also packed with insights that even seasoned gardeners might find enlightening. No prior experience is needed, just a willingness to learn and a desire to connect more deeply with the food you consume. As you turn these pages, I invite you to embrace the journey of becoming an urban gardener. Let's cultivate not just gardens, but resilience and joy in spaces where both seem scarce. By the end, I hope you will not only enjoy the literal fruits of your labor, but also the increased peace and satisfaction that comes from growing them. So here's to taking that first step. May it lead you to bountiful harvests and new beginnings in your own slice of nature. If you have enjoyed this introduction to the book Green Thumbs Up, the Urban Gardener's Guide to Growing Your Raised Bed Garden, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. We have included links in the video description to the book, which is sold on Amazon in both ebook and paperback formats. As with all the Healthy Life series books, all the proceeds go to support New Creation Ranch, which is a ministry dedicated to bringing healing to our veterans and others who have been held captive in the prisons of addiction. There's also a link to that ministry page as well. It is our prayer that this will be the first step into a new day for a healthy life for all those who read these books. Make sure to keep an eye out for my new book, Grandma's Garden Remedies, your comprehensive guide to building a holistic herbal medicine cabinet, coming out in June of 2024. This book includes the top 50 most potent healing herbs that can be found right here in the United States.